Hey guys, it's Rodent Kids, and today we're doing another pack-a-day with Steam Siege. So let's get into this. Hey guys!
Oh, there's Ewan.
Okay. There you are again.
Yeah. Nova, look what you've done!
Okay, so first we got a Lit Leo, a Nose Pass,
Come on, Eveltons, Ernie's breaks.
C-Dot, Clauncher, Bergmite, Shellos, shiny, Galvantula. Okay, this is one of the weird ones. It's a double type. It's electric and grass, and it's different colors. It's pretty interesting. Okay, we also got a Gardevoir Spirit Link, Nuzleaf, Claw, Fossil, and North. And finally, the code card.
What are you doing with it?
Alright, that pack was, it's alright.
That guy's pretty cool.
We got a split Pokemon, so those are neat. Other than that, not too much. Maybe a 3.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the 3. Ewan?
I'm too good to read.
Classical Ewan. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Watch out for tomorrow's videos and any other videos on Rodent Kids. Bye.
Bye.
Peace. I'm up.